How to fix no signal issue in Huawei mobile phone. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and then click on apps. Click on mobile network and then click on airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turning on or off your airplane mode, then go back and reinsert your SIM card. After reinserting your SIM card, then scroll down in last and click on System and Updates. And then click on Reset and click on Reset Network Settings. And then again click on Reset Network Settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on Software Update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.